I have trust in the government. They have a vision where to go, and I trust them. So.
Well, today's the last day. The shops and the cafes and the restaurants will be open. So yeah, my friend and I decided to go to the cafe for one last time because we don't know how long this will last. And